Hello guys, I welcome you all to Layoke Cuisine. Thanks for staying tuned to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button. Like my videos, share with your loved ones, and comment. I would like to hear feedback from you. Today we'll be preparing Edikaikong soup. It's prepared by the Efik tribe from Cross River State. These are the ingredients we'll be making use of. I have the pumpkin leaf or ugu leaf. It's about 100 grams. I'll be using the water leaf, about 50 grams. This is beef. This is Opei. It's one of the seasoning. This is ogiri. So you can either use Opei or ogiri, or if you like, you can combine both. This is the seasoning I'll be using. I have crayfish here. I've grinded it. This is salt. This is palm oil, a tablespoon of palm oil. This is bonnet pepper. This is stockfish. I've washed it. It's clean. This is smoked fish also. I've washed it also. This is ponmo here or cowhide. It's washed. It's clean. This is crayfish. So these are the ingredients we'll be using to prepare Edikaikong soup. I'm going to grate this bonnet pepper. So we won't be using it like this. We are not adding onions. Onions is not part of the ingredients. So I'm just going to grate this alone. I'm using this quantity because I like my soup to be a little hot. So that's why I'm using this quantity. Then I'm going to cook the beef with the stockfish, then ponmo. So I'm going to cook the three together. You will see how I'll be mixing everything together. So stay tuned. The first ingredient that is going in is the beef, followed by my ponmo, that's a cowhide, then the stockfish. So these ingredients will go in first. The beef, the cowhide, the stockfish. You can add your seasoning cube. You can add salt to taste, just a little. Then small water, just small, please. We don't want the water to be much, just a little water, because Edikaikong soup should only contain, in fact, there should not be water at all. So you stir everything together. You leave this to cook. And guys, I'm back to check what we are cooking. You can see I only have a little water inside it, and the beef is tender now, and by now the cowhide must have absorbed the ingredients. So now we are going to add the crayfish. The smoked fish, and stir everything together. So just leave it to simmer for about 3 minutes. It's 3 minutes. See? So now the grated bonnet pepper can go in. The crayfish, this one is grinded one. It can also go in. I can add my Opei. Then I can add ogiri also. You can either use Opei or ogiri, but I just want to use both. Stir everything again. You don't want the water to be too much, so that's why you can see by the time we add water leaf, there will be water inside, you understand? So this is it. I can add my palm oil now. And you see, it's just little. I don't want the oil to be too much, so stir it together and let it cook. We are checking back in 3 minutes. So it's 3 minutes. You can see now. So if you noticed, you will discover that apart from the stock I used to cook the meat and everything, I've not added extra salt or seasoning, so it is still tasty. That will be enough. And I've added grinded crayfish, so that will be enough. So now the water leaf is going in. We are adding water leaf first. Don't make the mistake of adding pumpkin leaf first. We are adding water leaf first. This is water leaf. You stir it together. Once it cooks, the water leaf will give the soup some water. So, and we don't want it to be too watery. Edikaikong soup should not be watery. That is why I did not add additional water. So we are going to leave this to cook for 2 minutes. So guys, it's 3 minutes. Let's check. You can see some water underneath now. See? That's because of the water leaf I added. So I'm going to add the next ingredient, which is ugu, pumpkin leaf. So the pumpkin leaf will mop up the water. Yes. So I'm going to add it, sear it together again, and leave it this time around to cook for 5 minutes. I can add some salt, yes, because of what I'm adding now. So stir everything together and leave it to cook for 5 minutes. So guys, our soup is ready. See how it is. Edikaikong soup is ready. You know, it's a nutritious soup. It has a lot of protein and nutrients inside it. See, let's taste it. This is heavenly. Please, you have to try yours at home. Give me feedback about whatever you cook. Thank you for staying tuned to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button. See you next week for another video.